If this is an area of concern for you, then here are 5 styling ideas for Western outfits. Number 1, when you're wearing tops or your dresses, opt for your fancy flouncy sleeves, kaftan style sleeves, balloon sleeves. There are so many such styles that you can opt for. Sleeveless is not the only way to go. Number 2, instead of your regular necklines and then feeling that there is no style and you feel bored, for that off shoulder style or one shoulder style, both of these styles cover your underarm fat and gives you some nice interest to your outfit. Number 3, don't shy away from colors. See, sleeveless is the only restriction that you have, but don't shy away from colors, don't shy away from fabrics, from pattern. Experiment with those things. Look at this gorgeous neon dress, or look at this polka dot black and white dress. Number 4, accessories. Accessories are to go for such styles because it adds interest to your whole outfit. So even if you have to wear a loose dress like this, when you're accessorizing the whole piece, it gives a very smart feel. Number 5, layers. Your loose layers, kaftan style layers, or your jackets, whichever, depending on the weather, you can use them with your sleeveless tops if you want and style your pieces. See, in 12 years of my career, I've never tackled a client with this variation, but when one of you messaged me that, this is something that worries them, I had to create a video. So if you have any friend or anyone who's worried about how to style when they have this heavy underarm fat, then do share this video to them. I would ultimately say that our bodies are our bodies, and learning how to style them will add that extra level of confidence day by day to wear new pieces. Let me know if you have any more questions.